slope-intercept form of a line. The graph of the equation y equals mx plus b is a line whose slope is m and whose y-intercept is 0 and b. For example, if I have the equation y equals 3x minus 4, that means the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 0 and negative 4. مثال: أوجد الميل للخط سالب 3x زائد 2y يساوي 11. Example: find the slope of the line negative 3x plus 2y equals to 11. First, solve the equation for y. Using the inverse, move the negative 3x to the other side of the equal sign. We will have 2y equals to 3x plus 11. Divide each side by 2. 2y over 2 equals to 3x plus 11 over 2. Cancel out 2 and 2. We will have y equals to 3x plus 11 over 2, which is the same as y equals to 3x over 2 plus 11 over 2, which is the same as y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 11 over 2. Since y is equal to mx plus b, therefore the slope is m equals to 3 over 2. مثال: استخدم slope intercept form لرسم المعادلة التالية: x ناقص 3y يساوي سالب 6. Example: use the slope intercept form to graph the equation x minus 3y equals to negative 6. First, solve the equation for y. Using the inverse, move the x to the other side of the equal sign. We will have negative 3y equals to negative 6 minus x, which I can write as negative 3y equals to negative open parentheses 6 plus x close parentheses. Divide each side by negative 3. We will have negative 3y over negative 3 equals to negative open parentheses 6 plus x close parentheses over negative 3. Cancel out negative 3 with negative 3 and the negative sign with the negative sign. We will have y is equal to 6 plus x over 3, which I can write as y is equal to x over 3 plus 6 over 3. 6 over 3 equals to 2. Now I can rewrite the equation of y is equal to x over 3 plus 2 as y is equal to 1 over 3x plus 2. Since y is equal to mx plus b and the y-intercept is 0 and b, so the slope equals to 1 over 3 and the y-intercept equals to 0 and 2. Because the slope is a positive number, the line goes up to the right. Begin by graphing the order pair 0 and 2. Since the slope is equals to 1 over 3, the 1 is change in y and the 3 is change in x. Move up 1 unit and write 3 units. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Connect them. Parallel lines. Two distinct non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope. Perpendicular lines. Consider two non-vertical lines whose slopes are m1 and m2. The two lines are perpendicular if and only if their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. That is, m1 equals to negative 1 over m2, or equivalently m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. مثال: حدد ما إذا كان y تساوي سالب 3x ناقص 2 و y تساوي ثلث x زائد 1 هما متوازيان أو متعامدان أو لا هذا ولا ذاك. Example: determine whether y equals negative 3x minus 2 and y is equal 1 over 3x plus 1 are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. To determine whether they are parallel or perpendicular or neither, we need to find the slope. When y is equal to negative 3x minus 2, the slope is negative 3. When y is equal to 1 over 3x plus 1, the slope is 1 over 3. Since these slopes are negative reciprocal of each other, the two lines are perpendicular. مثال: حدد ما إذا كان y1 يساوي 2x ناقص 3 و y2 يساوي 2x زائد 1 هما متوازيان أو متعامدان أو لا هذا ولا ذاك. Example: determine whether y1 equals to 2x minus 3 and y2 equals to 2x plus 1 are parallel or perpendicular, or neither. To determine, we must find the slope of the two lines. The slope of the line y1 equals to 2x minus 3 is 2, and the slope of the line y2 equals to 2x plus 1 is 2. Since the slopes are the same, m1 equals to m2, therefore the two lines are parallel. Point slope form. The point slope form of the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals to m times, open parentheses, x minus x1 close parentheses, where m is the slope of the line and x1 and y1 is a point on the line. مثال: اكتب المعادلة الخطية المارة بالنقطة -8 و-1 وميلها -1/5، ثم ارسم الخط. Example: write an equation of the line that passes through the point -8 and -1 and has the slope m equals to -1/5. Then sketch the line. Here we're having the point -8 and -1 and the slope -1/5. Using the rule y minus y1 equals to m times, open parentheses, x minus x1 close parentheses. Now substitute -1/5 for m and substitute -8 for x1 and -1 for y1. We will have y minus -1 equals to -1/5 times, open parentheses, x minus -8 close parentheses, which is equals to y plus 1 equals to -1/5 times, open parentheses, x plus 8 close parentheses. Multiply -1/5 times x and multiply -1/5 times 8. We will have y plus 1 equals to -x/5 minus 8/5. Using the inverse, move the 1 to the other side of the equal sign. We will have y equals to -x/5 minus 8/5 minus 1, which is equals to -x/5 minus 8/5 minus 5/5, which is equals to y equals -x/5 minus 13/5.